Want your website to appear on the first page of Google? The good news is, you don't need to be an SEO expert. Let me show you the basics that actually matters. Everything starts with keyword research. Find out what people are searching for using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest. Choose keyword with good search volume and lower competition. Then naturally include them in your content. Next, optimize each page. Write a clear title, use proper headings like H1 and H2. Add your keyword in the title and content. Write a good meta description. And don't forget to add alt text to your image. Google also loves fast and secure website. Make sure your website loads quickly, works well on mobile device, uses HTTPS, and has no broken links. Then start building quality backlinks because they help Google trust your website. Focus on your visitors, not just search engines. Make your website easy to navigate, keep your content useful, and monitor your traffic using Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Keep improving based on what your audience is reading. SEO isn't about overnight success. Publish helpful content consistently. Optimize every single and be patient. Over time, your ranking will improve. Want the complete simplified guide? Download it for free using the link in the description, pinned comment, or my bio. Save this guide for later and follow Webnot for more simple tutorials on web development, SEO, AI, and tech.